Ever wished you could automatically crack the code of complex web platforms? Imagine an AI tool that transforms browser interactions into runnable Python scripts in minutes. Today, I'm showing you Integuru, the game-changing API reverse engineering solution. Developers and researchers know the pain. Every web platform has unique and complex APIs. Manually mapping out network requests is a nightmare. Writing integration code is time-consuming and tedious. But what if an AI could handle all of this for you automatically? Integuru is here to solve that problem. It captures browser network requests, builds a complete dependency graph of API calls, and generates executable Python code. Let me show you how it works in real time. How does it work under the hood? Integuru uses advanced language models to traverse request dependency graphs, extract critical parameters, convert network requests into Python functions, and ensure proper request sequencing. One of the coolest features is that it supports input variables, allowing you to customize actions like selecting a specific year for document downloads. Let me show you a demo of how this works. Real-world application example. Let's say you're interacting with a financial platform that lets you create a new virtual credit or debit card. You can specify the cardholder name, card type, and spending controls. A preview of the virtual card is displayed, showing the card number, expiration date, and spending limit. Once you're satisfied, you click Create Card to activate it. With Integuru, this entire workflow is automatically converted into Python code that you can run, modify, or integrate into larger applications. Versatility beyond expectations. This isn't just for utility bills or simple forms. Integuru can reverse engineer APIs for financial platforms, government websites, enterprise systems, and any complex web application. Ready to revolutionize your API integration workflow? Check out Integuru on GitHub. It's open source, powered by AI, and incredibly powerful. Imagine spending your time building instead of reverse engineering. Link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more game-changing AI tools.